Hello viewers, welcome again to the continuation on the logarithm that I started with you in the previous videos. In the previous videos, we started learning about logarithm and we started with introduction to logarithm where we did a detailed explanation on the definition of logarithm and we've solved some basic examples on it as well in the previous videos, and I hope you understood it and you enjoy the lesson as well. So in this video I want us to continue and handle some other questions that will prepare us to be able to handle other aspects of logarithm in our next video. Okay, so as you can see, I have some questions on the board. Okay, and before we go ahead and solve the questions that I have on the board, I will advise you to do well to watch the previous videos, because the previous videos lays the foundation, the basic knowledge and understanding that you need about logarithm. I've done all those explanations in the previous videos. Okay, so do well to watch them so that you can easily handle this session as well. And please don't forget to like the videos and also share them after watching. And if you are watching for the first time, please do well to follow the page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Let's go ahead and look at the question that I have on the board. Okay, so it says that convert the okay, it simply means that we are to write it in a way that we are going to have log inside them. As simple as that. Okay, so this equation that we have here, you can see that it doesn't contain any log. So we are going to write it in a way in such that we are going to have log inside them. That's all that the question is asking us to do, and it's very simple. Okay, now let's go ahead and start with the example A that I have on the board. So the A, I have 8 equals 2 to the power 3. Okay, and the question says we should convert it into logarithmic form, and all that it means is that you are supposed to introduce log into it. As simple as that. Okay, and you are going to follow some few steps to arrive at the answer. Very simple, so just follow carefully. Let's do it together. So now you are going to take the log of the 8 here. So I'm going to have the log of the 8. Then this 2 here will become a base to 8. Okay, so the 2 here will become a base to 8. So I'm going to have log 8 to the base 2 should be equal to the power which is here. So it will be equal to 3. And that is your final answer. As simple as that. That's all that you need to do to introduce your log. Please, I hope you understand. I'm going to go over one more time. So we have 8 equals 2 to the power 3, and we want to introduce log into 8. So we are going to take the log of the 8, so log 8. Then the 2 here, which is a base, will become a base here. Are you okay? So it's going to be log 8 to the base 2. Bring your equal sign and repeat the power which you have there. The power is 3, so it will be equal to 3. As simple as that, and you are done. You don't need to do anything else again. I hope the explanation is clear enough and you understand. Let's proceed and handle the B also. So the B, I have 64 equals S. Okay, so we are supposed to introduce log into 8. So the same process, all that we need to do is to first of all take the log. Sorry, I forgot to bring the exponent 4. Okay, so 64 equals S to the power 4. Okay, so we have power 4 here, so I just remembered and brought it. So let's proceed. So we are going to first take the log of the 64. So the log of 64. Then this S, which is a base here, will become a base to 8. Okay, so we are going to have log 64 to the base S will be equal to the power that we have here, which is 4. and this is your final answer. You don't need to do anything to it again. I hope you understood it. Let's go ahead and tackle the C also. So now the C, I have 10 to the power negative 1 equals 0.1. Now with the C, in order for you not to get confused, let's rewrite it in this form. So 10 to the power negative 1 equals to 0.1 is the same as you writing 0.1 equals to 10 to the power negative 1, so that it looks like this one, so that you don't get confused. And we are going to follow the same process. Are you okay with it? So what do? We are going to take the log of the 0.1. So you take your log of 0.1, then this 10, which is here, the 10, it becomes a base to 8. So log of 0.1 to the base 10 should be equal to the power. The power is negative 1. Then you bring your negative 1 and you are done. As simple as that. I hope you understand. Let's go ahead and tackle the D. Okay, let me clean this side so that we can have enough space for the D. Okay, so the D, we have that 1000 equals 10 to the power 3. So to introduce our log, first of all, let's take the log of the 1000 that we have here. So it's going to be the log of 1000. Okay, then this 10 here will become a base. So log 1000 to the base 10 should be equal to the power 3 that we have here, and this is your final answer. I hope the explanation is clear enough and you understood it. So thank you very much. So these are basic examples that will prepare us for the next aspect of the logarithm that you are going to handle in the next video. Please don't forget to like the video and also share them as well. And if you are watching for the first time, please do want to follow the page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I'll see you again in another video whilst we look at other aspects of the logarithm. Bye bye.